Donde ustedes me puedan dejar cerca del Capitolio. Que no tengan problemas.
Te voy a dejar en el Gran Teatro. Okay.
Bye. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Indah Nuria again and super happy and excited to welcome you here at my YouTube channel.
Donde ustedes me puedan dejar cerca del Capitolio. Que no tengan problemas.
Te voy a dejar en el Gran Teatro de La Habana, ahí a Dicha Luz. Porque allí el Capitolio
Sí, yo
está
sé
un
que
poco
puede ser
extraño.
complicadito, sí.
But you don't have a lot of traffic here.
Si quieren ir para allá, pues, te voy a mi tarjetita, un banadero.
Sí, genial, genial.
Si quieren ir a algún lugar, Trinidad,
Lo más
Viñales.
probable es que cuando terminemos a eso de las 4 de la tarde, yo lo llamo a ustedes para que lo lleven de vuelta para atrás. Y ya ustedes les fijan el precio.
Mira, ahí. Lo llaman a él.
So on the second day of our visit to Havana, Cuba, we decided to have the walking tour. Well, it's not just a walking tour because we bought sort of a ticket from, I think, TripAdvisor to get walking tour, the historical tour indeed, lunch break and private salsa course. So you can imagine how excited we were. Me and Irma for the second day as well. We started the visit from the old Havana or Havana Vieja. And this area is awesome because you can actually see all these incredible and marvelous buildings from the past, like the National Capitol Building or El Capitalio, and then Grand Theater or the Gran Teatro de la Habana, as well as the Hotel Inglaterra, which is very famous as well. Then I think we walk around the area of Obispo, where you can see a lot of interesting architecture, beautiful shops. This is like a posh area in that particular spot, and you see all those beautiful alleys, houses, apartments, and of course, vintage cars.
La República in honor of the beginning of the Republic time. And made in bronze. The first one actually is the second one is in Washington DC, Lincoln Memorial.
Okay.
Also on the
So that's a little story about the National Capitol Building dengan Statue of the Republic yang ada di depannya. Menarik sih ceritanya ya, tapi aku tuh dengannya itu dengan mixed feelings gitu sama Irma karena you're looking at the grandeur of the past, betapa kerennya, bagusnya, megahnya Cuba di masa lalu, and then because of the embargo, they shut off and they are like frozen in that certain point of time. Jadi kita bisa lihat gedung-gedung yang megah dengan desain yang luar biasa cantik, tapi kurang terawat karena ya itu tadi ya, embargo pasti akan memberikan begitu banyak dampak pada kehidupan masyarakat Kuba. But anyway, it's a lovely areas for you to explore. Dan aku tuh paling suka sih memang ngelihat vintage cars yang ada di mana-mana. Dan mungkin itu salah satu cara mereka untuk bisa survive ya. You don't have the latest make atau model of the cars or the motorcycle or anything. So you have to make the most of whatever you have. Dan setelah itu kita juga lanjut jalan ke area di sekitarnya, salah satunya di sekitar Hotel Inglaterra yang memang dari dulu tuh udah lumayan, ya udah ngetop banget ya. This is a 4-star hotel where many interesting and important events happen, dan letaknya juga ada di depan Park Central atau Central Park yang ada di Havana, Cuba. Dan di area itu juga you can see the National Museum of of Arts, dan ada Grand Hotel Kempinski. It's a very nice and leisure walk that we had in this area.
They were written from both to be organized.
Oh, okay. So
the
it's
wa-
before you became Cuba.
Exactly, before came from Mexico.
So that
with
okay.
the big ship.
With the
Like
big ship.
part of the.
Not too big, you will see it later, but
Oh, okay.
82 people.
Yeah, I was wondering that 82 people only. We are in Old Havana. Where is the Grand Theater?
Oh, on their arm.
All without the day was after.
So our walk continued, and this time around we were heading to the Obispo area. So that means we passed the Park Central or Central Park in Havana, Cuba. As you can see, we saw the statue of Jose Marti, one of the Cuban national heroes and I think one of the most outstanding figures, besides, of course, the Castros. And we passed the museum. We take a look at the surrounding areas again with those beautiful architecture, but as I said, last maintenance, and it looks a bit ruined up a little bit. And then as we were heading to Obispo, we passed the La Floridita Cafe, which is a very famous hangout place of Ernest Hemingway, that famous writer. I bet you heard of his name, right? And I'm going to put that in my other videos about our nice, lovely lunch date here. As you can see, the Obispo area is so interesting because it's packed with bars, hotels, and the art centers where you can get souvenirs and all those unique things from Cuba. And as we walk to the other part of Obispo, I think to the Compostela street, we even see more beautiful bookstores with interesting collection in English as well as in Spanish and in other international languages as well. And we walk around the area just to get the feeling of it. I think we also managed to get into one of the shops and trying to buy some local products as well. It's an interesting walk indeed. Salah satu tempat unik yang kita kunjungi di spot ini adalah Droguria atau toko obat Johnson yang sekaligus juga menjadi Museo de Farmacia atau museum farmasi. Aku tuh dari pertama lihat tuh udah tertarik banget karena tempatnya tuh antik ya, very vintage dengan rak-rak kayu hitam yang elegan yet so classic, sama keramik-keramik yang personalized gitu untuk taruh barang-barang atau bahan-bahan materials untuk farmasi. So by the time you get in there, it's so astonishing to see pharmaceutical industries in Cuba, which is very famous karena mereka memiliki banyak tenaga kesehatan yang handal. Then we also pass Hotel Ambos Mundos. Ini salah satu hotel yang terkenal di area Obispo karena memang hotelnya tempatnya strategis banget and it's been there for quite some times. It has 100 rooms with 100 bath and it boasts to be cool, quiet and comfortable. Dan kabarnya sih hotel ini juga punya rooftop yang keren banget ya. Sayangnya karena kita agak padat acaranya hari itu, jadi gak sempet deh mampir ke rooftop. But I guess once we're coming back to Havana, Cuba, I will definitely go here and try the rooftop cafe. So that's Obispo, my friends, one of the coolest spots there in Havana, Cuba. Of course, jalan-jalan kita hari ini belum selesai karena kan aku jalannya seharian ya, and this is just one spot of Obispo that I put in this video, and it's only like probably 15 minutes something. So I think I'll be back with more videos, of course, with more stories for you. So again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one, alright? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you on the next adventure. Ciao for now.